Two of the most expensive parrots. The second one will leave you in awe. First, we have the Palm Cockatoo, priced at up to $16,000. Found in northern Australia, this bird has black feathers and a cool crest on its head. It weighs around 1 kilogram and is about 20 inches long. Palm cockatoos can live up to 50 years in captivity, making them lifelong companions. Their loud call and rarity make them highly sought after. Next, meet the Hyacinth Macaw, the most expensive parrot, costing up to $40,000. This beautiful bird is the largest flying parrot, growing up to 1 meter long and weighing up to 2 kilograms. With its stunning blue feathers, it's not only rare but also endangered. Hyacinth macaws can live up to 60 years in captivity, making them a lifelong investment. Which one would you pick? Let us know.